this?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah. Simple storage service. We are talking about simple storage service. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
hello?
Let me start again. Yeah. Yes, Mohammed. It is fine. It is doing well. Yeah.
Yeah, no
You
problem.
can see. Yeah, yeah. So we'll talk about some general discussion about storage. Okay. Example. Have you heard about anything related to pen drive? Pen drive. Yes. So if you don't know, let me know. I'll show you the picture of pen drive. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're right. So this pen drive I'm saying about this one. Yeah, pen drive. This one. You know? You know this, right? Yeah. Exactly. What is the meaning of pen drive? Means it exactly. You are right. It will store. Example, this is a pen drive. You just imagine this. Yeah. You just imagine. It's not looking like pen drive, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is somewhat better, I guess. Yeah. This is pen drive. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So just consider this is a pen drive. In this, we will store the files. Correct. We'll store the files. We'll keep some videos. Okay. We'll keep some files. Okay. We can keep anything. So related to storage. Okay. Files we can keep. Okay. We can keep the MP3 audio. We can keep videos. We can keep the files, folders. Okay. We can store such type of data using this pen drive. Okay. Which means it is a kind of storage. It's kind of external storage. External storage. Already your laptop having internal storage. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. Internal storage means you have hard drive, hard disk. Okay. So external storage means it will comes under this pen drive. For example, yeah, I have done some work at my home tonight. Tonight, I have done something at my home. Okay. So I just loaded all the files in this pen drive. Okay. Whatever I have done today tonight. Okay. So that I loaded. Tomorrow, I need to show this file to my boss. Okay. So what I have to do is I don't want to carry my laptop on that time. Only this is only for 10 minutes time. Okay. So this 10 minutes time I don't want to carry laptop and all. So I just want to carry only pen drive. Okay. Which means instead of carrying your laptop, the same file is carrying by pen drive. Right. So I will open and I'll connect with the monitor in my office. Okay. I'll connect my pen drive. Okay. To monitor whatever the file is there, that file will be displayed, right? That whatever that file is there, that file I'll display to my manager. Okay. Instead of carrying big devices, This pen drive will help you to store your data also. There is certain limit for this pen drive also. Okay, which means this will store the data. Okay, hard disk, hard disk, hard disk also will store the data. Okay, pen drive, pen drive also store the data. Okay, this hard disk, in the sense this hard disk will be there in your system, your laptop. Okay, so just because of this laptop only you are storing your data, right? Am I right? Yeah. And one more thing, Gmail, Google Drive. Okay, these are also we can call as storage, but this is not physical storage, this is virtual storage. Yes, this is cloud storage. Understood? This is cloud storage. Okay, this is physical storage. Okay, the same way we can compare S3 simple storage service with the cloud storage. Clear? Right? So as we had Gmail, in the sense I have a Gmail since 2009. Okay, whatever previous my emails are there, that emails I still like I could see. Okay, which means it is in a cloud, it is in somewhere in Google Cloud, right? So Google Drive is there. Since I was using this Google Drive since 2013. Okay, I purchased my smartphone in 2013. Since 2013 I've been storing my personal data like photos, videos, everything is captured by itself, and I just synchronized all the photos, videos, etc., etc., and it is stored in Google Drive. If I synchronize with my email ID, automatically your email, your photos and your videos, everything will be displayed. Clear? Okay. So that will be stored in Google Cloud. Okay. The same way, Amazon also having, Amazon means AWS also will provide a storage called S3, simple storage service. Okay, by using this simple storage service we can store our data. Okay, we can store data in the form of objects. Okay, we can store this, we can call it as a bucket. We can create the bucket, we can keep our data, example mp3 audio I can keep. Okay, files. Okay, folders, PDF, videos, whatever, whatnot, it will acts as your physical storage. You can't feel that nothing difference between your pen drive and AWS storage. If you have account, so you can feel that same kind of storage what your laptop is having, what your pen drive is having. Understand? Clear? They, yeah, one more time again I'll explain you. S3 is a secure, durable and highly scalable object. Okay, so we'll talk about object also. Okay, object storage. Okay, S3 is a S3 is easy to use and simple web services interface to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the website. Example, Mohammed, what happened was actually, um, suppose suppose there is something, example we discussed about pen drive, right? Okay, So what happened was, actually I just loaded all the data in my pen drive. Okay, so there are files in this pen drive. Okay, so I thought I don't want to carry my laptop. Instead of this carrying my laptop, I just want to loaded these files in this pen drive. I just want to bring it and show to my manager. Okay, this was my plan. Then what happened, actually, in hurry burry, I was in very much hurry, so I forgot this pen drive. I forgot this pen drive. Okay, what happened? So again, you should come back to home and you need to get it right, or else you need to look for alternate, or else you will book some auto, or you will book some cab, or Uber kind of. Okay, so however, this physical device must be there. Without this physical device, or this device, or this device, you can't access your data. Clear? But not S3 is not like that. If you keep your data in S3 bucket, for suppose your file is there, you kept this file as an object. Okay, if you keep this file in S3 bucket, what happens was, if you forget your laptop also, it doesn't make sense. Okay, it doesn't matter, it's not a big deal. Okay, if you forget also, no problem. I will go to my office, I will open any of system with, I will connect with the AWS, I'll open S3 bucket. Okay, and I will open the file and I will show that file to my manager. Clear? Which means I can able to access the data by using web server, which is AWS. You clearly understood this? Okay, without any physical devices, without need, no, without any physical devices, laptops, PC, or external devices like pen drive, hard disk, external hard disk, etc. Without this, by using just a simple web server, web browser, web browser of which is AWS, I can just simply log into AWS and I'll open S3. In this S3, I'll open my file and I'll show to our manager. That's it. Which is very easy. Not only here, not only with your manager. For example, you are in USA right now. Okay, somewhere you are Chicago. Currently, you are in Chicago, I guess. Okay, somewhere in you are Chicago. So there is an emergency work. So you need to go Australia. Okay, you just want to go Australia. Okay, whenever I think you went for some occasion, I guess. Okay, you are somewhere in Adelaide or Sydney, somewhere in Australia. So you are enjoying, actually, you are enjoying with your family and etc. Suddenly your manager called you. Hey Mohammed, actually I just need emergency, I just need so and so file. Okay, how to do this? You can log in easily, you can log in and you can share that file to your manager. That is also, there is a flexibility, there is a flexibility with this AWS, so you can log in from anywhere across the globe. Clear? That's awesome, right? That is called as, it is easy to use. Okay, with a simple web service interface, that is called web browser, any web service interface, and you can store the data and retrieve the data. For example, you lost something and you will get it back by using backups. Okay, next, this is simple storage service. Okay, type, what is S3? S3 is a object based storage. Object in the sense, whatever you store, okay, in the S3, that you can store as a object, you can call that as a object. Which means, if you something you store, might it be a file, might it be a video or audio, whatever, you can, in terminology, in technical terminology, you just call that as a object. Okay, S3 is a object, it will be stored as a in the form of objects. Okay, so files can be from 0 to 5 TB. Okay, 5 TB, 5 terabytes it is providing 5 terabytes of storage, graphical and console both also. Clear? Graphical in the sense you can directly by using clicks you can able to see. Console in the sense by using Linux. Okay, by using Linux also you can able to see your data. Clear? And files can be from 0 bytes to 5 GB. Okay, CLA for CLA. There is unlimited storage also. Okay, and objects are stored in buckets. Objects are stored in buckets. S3 bucket names must be unique globally. Example, S3 bucket, for example, if you want to keep that bucket name, okay, S3 simple storage, you will open AWS, okay, you will open S3, you will create a bucket, okay. How you will create a bucket? With the name of, example, name is Muhammad, okay. This won't take, because across the globe with this name Muhammad's, lot of billions of people will be there, or millions of people, or thousands of people, or hundreds of people, right? If you keep this name as a Muhammad, S3 won't accept. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to give your unique name, Muhammad underscore AWS LKCloudTech, such kind of names. Okay, different name, unique name, your name with your course name, with your institute name, and with your living Chicago, such kind of name. You have to follow some kind of naming conventions. Okay, such kind of format. Okay, if you follow this, your bucket will be created. Otherwise, a simple text won't take. It will take, but the thing is, uh, already somebody have created. If one person create a bucket on top of one name, so they can again across the globe, it won't take this name. This will be already used. That's it. You understood? Okay. You can ask me where you confused. Yeah. Yeah. This is just AWS. You log in with the AWS, and you will open S3 bucket. You will open S3 bucket. After opening bucket, you will create a bucket. You will create a bucket with the so and so name, different name. For example, if you keep simple name like Muhammad, it won't take this name, because Muhammad, this with this name, as Muhammad with this name, multiple people, 100 people will be there. Okay, 100 buckets will be there. If one person created a name with Muhammad, that name will not take for others. You understood? Example, if I create a bucket with name Lokesh, okay, if I create, this name will not allow for others. For example, you also want to create a bucket with Lokesh. This just I'm talking about name, nothing else. Okay, you want to use this name also? No, it won't accept. You have to give Lokesh 1 or Lokesh 2, like that. Example, Mohammed, you created a bucket already as a Mohammed, for suppose. Okay, I also want to create a bucket. I also want to create a bucket with Muhammad. Okay, clear. But this already used by you, right? Already this name is used by you. Again, I want to use the same name, but S3 won't allow this name. I have to use some extension, Muhammad 1 or Muhammad 2, Muhammad 3. So unique name I'm saying. You have to use unique name. Clear? Plain text or plain names won't accept. It will accept if somebody doesn't use this. Clear? Okay. What you understood? Please explain. Yeah.
Where'd you go? You erased it.
Okay. Generally, what happens is actually you will log in. Generally, you will log in AWS account. After that, you will open S3. Okay. In S3, you will create a bucket. Okay. You will create a bucket. But while you are creating bucket, normal plain names will not accept. Why? Because already with this name Muhammad, already Muhammad, I want to create a bucket with the Muhammad name. So you are not only one Muhammad is there across the globe, right? Multiple Muhammads are
Correct.
there, hundreds of Muhammads are there. So any Muhammad, if somebody have already created a bucket on top of this Muhammad, again for you it won't take this name. I'm saying that clear?
Correct.
Yeah. So what you have to do is with the name you can use Muhammad with extension any 1, 2, 3, or your date of birth 1995 something. I'm not sure. Okay, something kind of. Okay, you can keep your date of birth, any name. You just make that name as unique. That's it. Clear? So that's it.
Yes.
Yeah. Next. So that's how your name must be unique globally. Whatever your name you are assigning to your bucket, that name must be very unique. Okay.
So, I have a question besides this.
Yes, please.
Um,
I'm very much
so
happy to hear that. Yeah, please.
we're doing AWS Cloud DevOps.
Okay. If you don't have a AWS account, you can't create S3 bucket.
Correct, and we do have it.
Yeah, you already having the account, then only you can create the account. Some others who
So I
does
could
not
go.
having AWS account, they can't
So I
create.
could. So I could go in AWS account and create anything I want in AWS related.
Exactly. You're right. I'm
Even
happy.
the AWS. Even I could create the. It's. I think we're doing DevOps, but we could also create the architect. What is that?
Architect.
Architecture. Yeah.
Architecture, that is a big thing, man. You can't understand architecture so far. So after finishing all the services of AWS, you can understand the architecture. Initially, don't
But
do
you know.
architecture. Yeah, I know architecture. Architecture you
Okay.
can't understand. If you can see the architecture
No.
of AWS, you can't see. You will confuse. So once after
The
finishing
thing
all
I'm.
the services, then you can understand,
Okay.
right?
The reason what I'm asking, I'll ask you later about it. The reason why, because I have somebody, he already does AWS and all this DevOps, but he just wants to learn the architect side.
Okay. Architecture is high level. Okay.
Yeah,
So
he's already knows. He's a high level guy. He just wants to learn that side. I'll I'll get him in touch with you. You could teach him that, right?
let's talk once again. I'll try to talk to him. Just share my number. I'll talk to him. So let me check whether my skills will be enough or he is looking for more than me. More than me.
Okay,
Okay, let me check.
because
Please
he's
share my
from.
number. So then we can talk.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let him know.
So
This is why.
let me
'Cause,
check how his level of knowledge. Whether this his level of knowledge is more than me, then I am not required. I will suggest the best one. Or if you want to learn AWS in mid level, then I can teach them. Not a big deal. Okay.
okay.
So right. So then
Yeah.
one more built for 99% availability storage S3 platform, which means if you keep anything, if you keep any object or any kind of data, kind of example, videos you kept, files, photos, MP3, JPEG format, whatever. If you keep your photos 99.9999999999%, they are assuring you to keep, which means they are guaranteeing you to keep your data. You won't lose your data. Okay, 99% of your data you can't lose, which means So 99% of 99% availability of S3 platform. This much percentage they are guaranteeing you. Your data will not lose. Okay. They are actually guarantees durability also. It will be available for all the time. Okay. And tied tied storage available. Tied storage in the sense, for example, you are traveling in a train. You know train, right?
Uh huh.
You are traveling in a train. Example. So you will see one one seat here, one seat here. Okay, one seat here, and one more seat here. So you can see seats like this, right? So one seat here, one seat here. I don't know USA man, but I'm talking about India way, Indian example. Okay.
No, it's fine. It's
Yeah,
perfect.
so this is actually train. For suppose there will be tires. Okay, in one train, one body will sleep here, another guy will sleep here, and one more guy will sleep here. So this is how tires will be there. Okay, that's how tires will be there. Okay, this cost is high, this cost is medium, this cost is low. Some kind of such kind of. Okay, there are some tires will be there. So we'll talk it later also. Okay, we'll bit by bit. Just try to understand the terminologies. That's it. Okay. And life cycle management also. What is life cycle management? Example. So you born in 1990 for suppose 19 or 1992. You born 1996 for suppose. Okay. So maybe you born here. So you went school for 1990, sorry, 2001. Okay, 2000, I think 2011 you completed your SSC or
2010.
SSC something kind of, yeah, I guess. Okay,
Yeah.
so you completed your graduation in 2018 or 19. Okay, so now
Uh
you
huh.
are working in 2025. Okay, so later this is how one fine day 2096. Okay, maybe 2096 or 3096, maybe 2096 you will die for suppose. So this life cycle will be goes like this, right? So you born, so you completed your studies. Okay, you are doing jobs and all, and final day, so you'll be become very much older, right? So in 3096, 100 years later, I'm saying, you understood? 2096, 100 years later. So this a human life cycle I'm talking about. A human born and he will die in older age. After 100 years, a human will die, right? So this is how
Average, yeah.
one fine day, a human born here, so he'll have expiry date also. In 2096, he will die, correct? So which means expired. Okay, in one stage, that will be, for example, day by day, day by day, day by day. So he will lose his body. In the sense, he will expire. So however human have life cycle, the same way S3 bucket also having a life cycle management. Clear? If you create a bucket,
Yes.
for suppose here, you created bucket today. So after 30 days or after 90 days, so if you want to keep, you can keep. So every stage, every 30 days, it will move in different stages. Okay. So after 90 days, it will expire. The data will be loose. You can keep this kind of you have this kind of option also. I have stored something X. I stored some X object here, X in the sense of image, X image here. Okay. After 90 days, I don't want to keep this. I will use this image only for 30 days. After 90 days, still lifelong, if I keep, what happens? My cost will be, the object cost will be high. Why should I pay this amount unnecessarily? Right? Unnecessarily, I don't want to pay this image. Okay, for image or storage, any storage unnecessarily I don't want to keep in my AWS. This is not free, man. S3 is not free. Okay, I kept some images. Okay, my personal images here. Okay, if I don't want to keep in lifetime, If I keep lifetime, whatever lifetime I have to pay for this. So I just want to keep this image for only 30 days you can keep, or if you want to, you can keep 90 days or 120 days. If you want after 120 days, it will expire. I just set it up like this. Okay. This is called as life cycle management. You understood? And versioning
Yeah.
also. For S3 bucket, you can keep S3 version 1. Okay. Version 2, version 3. Okay. I kept here one file here with version 1. Okay, I made some changes. I kept here two lines. I made this is one code is there. For suppose this is a code. Okay, I just here wrote here two lines of code. I just made this as a version 1. After this, I added one more line. I just made it as a version 2. After that, after some 20 days, I just wrote one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example 100 lines of code. Okay, I just made this as a version 3. In the sense every stage I'll create versions also, because you need to identify this is starting stage, this is version 2 stage, this is version 3 stage. By seeing these versions, you can identify your uh, f- code where which stage it is. For example, now it is released iPhone. Okay, iPhone 17 Pro, is it correct?
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah, in India, I don't know about US. In India, iPhone 17 Pro released very recently, just 2 days back. Okay, so earlier 16, 15, 14, 13, 0 or 1. So what is the difference between 1, 13, 14, 15 and 17? Can you please let me know what is the difference between the iPhone 15 and iPhone 17? This version, iPhone 15 version. iPhone 15 version
Uh
or
huh.
what is the difference between iPhone 17 version?
They
Features,
added more
nothing else.
features, correct?
Features, different
They
features,
added,
security,
yeah,
okay, and
security's
visibility,
updated, camera,
camera. Camera is also comes under feature.
storage.
Security, yeah, storage, strong, build quality,
Yeah.
colors, models. Okay, so such type it is increase, which means so in iPhone as compared to iPhone 15 version, 17 version Pro having best quality, best features, best model, best color, best storage. Okay, so that is called as version. In this version, you can, if you can ask, if I can ask you, hey Mohammed, what is it? What is version 5 as compared to version 15 as compared to version 17? In the sense, you will say, as compared to iPhone 17 Pro, there are less features, right? So that's how Amazon S3 also will provide the versions. That's how. You understood? I'm providing you, I'm explaining you with a small general examples. Okay? And also
So the version is
yeah,
the version is the durability, right?
yeah,
Or
kind
no?
of version in the sense it's kind of um older version, newer version. That's kind of
Because on what the reason I'm asking you version durability, because on S3 on ChatGPT I don't see version.
yeah, you'll find version also. I'll show you. Okay, you will see the version. I'll show you in AWS S3.
Because object storage, buckets, scalable, durability, and availability. That's all I see.
You can see, you can also type version. What is S3 version?
Oh, okay.
You type what is
Yeah,
S3
there.
version.
S3 version. Yep. It's a feature multiple version of same object in a bucket.
Obviously,
Instead of overwriting or deleting, a file is permanently keeps the old version so you restore them if needed.
exactly. So in example 1996, you might be in 3 foot.
Uh
Okay.
huh.
So now 2025. Okay. In 2025, now you are in 5.8, I guess. Right. Here in 1996, you are in different version, 3 foot version. In 2025, you are in 5.8 foot, right? Feet, I guess.
Yeah.
5.8. This is one version. This is version 1. So now you are version 2, right? Your height is there is height difference, right? The stage, the stage, the stage of image, the stage of object, the stage of um, bucket, you can consider as a version. You understood? While you are doing practical, you can understand. Very much clear. Understood? Okay. So next,
Yeah.
encryption. Encryption in the sense, um, you stored some image in S3 bucket. Okay. For example, that is one image. Okay. So Mohammed stored a image in this S3 bucket. Okay. So I'm as a hacker. Lokesh is a hacker. Okay. I want to stole. I just want to theft that very confidential information. Whatever images, this image is very confidential. Okay. So if I want to theft, then what happened is, so if you don't have encryption, okay, hacker can easily hack your, and he can able to understand easily. Okay. So what happened is, so what I will do is I will introduce encryption. Okay. If I enable encryption, whatever the image is there, that image others cannot able to read. You understood?
Yeah.
Others
So it's
cannot
like
able to read. That is called as encryption. By enabling this, encryption, others or hackers cannot able to read whatever the file is. You understood? That is a security. Clear?
but AWS doesn't store it, right?
Yeah, storage, but you can make it as a encryption also. So you can make it as encryption. So others cannot able to read that. You can enable this as encryption. The storage also you can make it as encryption. You understood? So you sometimes while you are using WhatsApp, you could see encryption data.
You could default it.
Exactly. So that encryption will be also available in this S3. You can make your objects or you can make your storage as encryption for others, not for you. Okay.
Like
You can able to see
requirements,
that. Sorry.
compliance, like requirements. You could like
Yes.
store it.
Yes. To protect your data, you can keep it as encrypt way. Others cannot able to hack, others cannot able to crack, others cannot able to delete, others cannot able to
Correct.
read, others cannot able
It's
to
for your.
read, others cannot able to write, okay, others cannot able to see.
It's
If
for
you
your own self.
for example, if you encrypt one image, if you encrypt one image, you can able to read by after decryption. Okay. After decryption only you can able to read. But he doesn't know, right? Hacker doesn't know how to decrypt your image or your file. You understood?
Hmm.
But you are as a owner, Muhammad as a owner. Muhammad is owner, so you can able to log in properly. You can able to see your image. Okay. But others cannot access. By using encryption, that
Okay.
will protect your data will be protected. Clear?
So you only unlock it and let them read it.
Exactly. Next, to secure your data access control list and bucket policies. There are some policies. Okay. By policies, you can able to control your access list. Okay. You can able to control your data and you can able to secure your data. That's it. That security purpose also I'll show you while we are doing practical. Clear? Next, storage tiers. So we talked about tiers. In train, I have shown you one example, tier, right? So this is how tier will be there. One second, let me close my door. Something hissing noise is getting. Cooker noise. Yeah, I hope this is very much clear. Yes. Yeah, that I don't like that hissing noise. Okay. So yeah, you see here tiers, right? So the tires,
Hmm.
I just arranged these tires alignment alignedly in one. This is called one tier. This is called one tier. This is called one tier. This is how AWS is also, they have bifurcated as a tiers. Okay, for
It's okay, got it. It's individual storage,
yeah, individual storage types of storage based
not
upon your
multiple.
requirement. Based upon your requirement, you can keep the storage. For example, um, I'll tell you. For suppose this is one stage, stage one, stage two, stage three. Okay. For suppose if I want to keep in stage three, the cost is high. Okay, maybe security will be high. For suppose maybe security will be high. This picture, don't compare with this picture. Just for example, just general example I just kept here. Okay, so to understand tiers. Okay, to understand tiers, I just arranged picture like this. Okay, so this is different types of storages are there in S3. Okay, for cost optimization, based on access needs, based on your availability. For example, automatically manage your data. Okay, intelligent tiering, this is one type. Cost optimization purpose. Okay, based on your access needs, standard higher performance, glacier, deep archive, these are types. Okay, example, standard infrequent access, IEA, glacier, deep archive. Okay, these are all types, Mohammed. Okay, don't confuse. Based upon your requirement, you'll use these types of storage. You understand?
Yes.
Any doubt or any disturbance? I mean, any confusion for you?
Mm, a little bit, not too much. It just basically is each tier has its
For
own.
suppose, Mohammed, choose based on the access needs means different storage classes are optimized. Various access frequent or infrequent archive. Example, you need storage cost optimization. Okay, you will choose S3 standard infrequent access, IA. Okay, and glacier, deep archive. These types are available. Intelligent tiering. What is the purpose of intelligent tiering? This is a type. This is a S3, one type of S3. So automatically manage the data placement between frequent and infrequent access tiers, cost saving. To cost saving purpose, you will use intelligent tiering. I said right, or 30 days here. Okay, that 9 for 90 days here, after 120 days it will expire. You understood?
Okay.
Okay, example I'll tell you. For example, in WhatsApp you may keep timer for your image. Okay, so after certain days automatically the data will be deleted. Have you observed that in WhatsApp?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, so if you have such kind of requirement, it will be suggested. I will suggest you intelligent tiering. Okay, what you can call this, tier or tier? When you tier in the sense, if I pronounce it as tier, so whenever you cry, I can call that as a tier. It's a tier, I guess. So what do you call,
Yeah.
how what is your accent?
Yeah, it's right. Tiers.
Here, okay, all right. So that's fine. So next, glacier and deep archive. This is also type. These two types are useful for lowest storage cost, very less cost. If you want to, if you want to spend very less amount, so they are suggesting to go glacier or deep archive. Okay, it's completely based upon your usage, Mohammed. Depends upon your requirement. You will choose this. Understood? So you don't worry.
Yes.
In company, they will suggest you to take this. Okay. So they will tell you that okay, I am Mohammed. Just choose this glacier deep archive. That's enough. As according to your our client requirement or according to our project requirement, this is enough. So you go and you just simply choose and you will create using glacier. That's it. You don't worry about that. Okay. So the team will be there, they will help you, don't worry. Okay, you see this, imagine S3 storage classes. So these are all storage classes are there, Mohammed. Okay, so this is standard, this is one type, intelligent tier, intelligent tiering, and S3 IA, one zone IA, glacier, and deep archive. So these are all types. This is type one. This is new one. You see, intelligent tiring, S3 intelligent tiring new. Okay, this is S3 glacier deep archive. This is also new. Okay, I have just copied this image from AWS only. Don't worry. Okay, I did not made myself. Okay, this is provided by AWS. Clear? You see, you just
Yes.
see standard S3 standard. It is active and frequent access data. Okay, milliseconds, in the sense it will uh, you can access very quickly. The time also concerns that your see here amount, how much, 0.00 GB. Okay, per GB, this dollar 0.02 GB per GB. $0.02 in the sense how much it is less or it is higher. You are cleaning your hands, man. You are not listening to me. Are you there, Mohammed? Mohammed, are you with me? Yeah, Mohammed, are you with me? I can hear you, but you are going and somewhere you are washing your hands.
I wasn't washing my hands.
You are
Sorry.
cleaning cleaning your hands. I just hear about your water drop sound.
No, no, no. That's my washer dryer.
Yeah, that's okay. All right. Just kidding. See this, these are all different types of storages. Nothing, don't keep everything in mind. Just simple, just need to understand there are types of storages. S3 storages are there. Okay, based on your requirement, you will choose this storage. Okay, this storage is actually that prices varies. You see here $0.02 per GB. Okay, this is $0.0125 per GB. Okay, from here to here, $0.02 to $0.01, and this is 0.125 GB, and retrieval is free. Okay, per GB fee, retrieval fee per GB, this much. Okay, the cost varies. Standard IA, intelligent tiring, S3 standard IA, one zone IA. One zone IA means this will be used in one zone only, one region only. Glacier is this much cost, and S3 deep archive, glacier deep archive is this much cost. Okay, based on complete client requirement, you will choose the type of S3 bucket. You understood?
Yes.
Okay, this will be the cost. First 50 TB per month, this much cost will be there. How much? $0.023. Next 450 TB per month, $0.022 per GB. Over 500 TB per month, 0.021 per GB. Okay. So based on your usage, the cost varies. Clear?
Yes.
All right. Next. This. Okay. What are S3 data transfer cost? So shall we look into this tomorrow? I hope you already
Yeah.
exhausted, I guess.
Yes.
You exhausted.
No. It's up to you. Tomorrow we
Yeah,
could do
it
morning
will
club.
take entire day, but it's depends upon you how much, how your mind is responding or not. Are you exhausted? Are you tired? So it's depends upon you. You just stop me anywhere, no problem. Okay. So there are some other topics like what are the charges, transfer acceleration, and all this. So we'll sorry, so transfer acceleration is different. Okay, let's complete this. So what are the S3 data transfer cost? Data transfer into S3 for internet. Okay, for it costs the internet. Data transfer to S3 to S3. Okay, transfer from S3 to the internet, it costs. Data transfer from S3 to Amazon EC2 instances in the same region. Okay, you can data transfer from S3 to Amazon EC2 instances in the same region. You can do it. Data transfer from S3 to Amazon CloudFront. Data transfer from S3 to other AWS regions. So these kind of feasibilities we have. Don't worry. I think you can't store this much data in your mind. Okay. So let while we are discussing practical, I'll show you all those stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Next S3
So
charges.
whatever.
It will charges for storage request. Okay, and it will storage management prices in tiers, data transfer prices for manual, transfer acceleration, replication. So all these kind of charges will be there. So we'll see transfer acceleration tomorrow. Okay.
So this charges they actually charge you on AWS, or is just example?
Yeah. For example, you stored one example one audio, maybe that is 5 MB for suppose, 10 MB for suppose. Okay, that will charge. Anything in S3 that will be charged, but it
Charge
is
to my
low.
account.
It is low, $0.00125, $0.00093. That is
Okay.
that is low cost for you, not for us.
Come on, man.
Yeah, it's its cost is very low, but for practice purpose, don't forget, don't hesitate, and don't panic to keep the objects. You can keep the objects in that. Every month you will get little bill. You can pay that. Okay, don't hesitate to pay. Okay, don't panic to pay. You just pay and you just learn. For learning purpose, you can pay much, no problem at all. For learning purpose, if you pay, that will repay you. Okay, one day.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Got
no
it.
worries, you won't get much bill, man. That is less amount of bill only. So for practice, for after practicing AWS, just delete it. That's it. I'll help
Okay.
you.
Just
Don't
show
worry
me.
about it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Just help me. Show me.
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you, man. I'm here to show you. I'm here to help you. All right.
Sure.
So we'll see tomorrow acceleration to a transfer acceleration or S3 bucket. We'll see practical of S3 bucket. How to create S3 bucket. What is the object? What is bucket? How to use that bucket? How to transfer the bucket and all. Let's see. Okay. Don't worry about that. So I'll help you to create the bucket and what is. I'll help you to understand all about S3 bucket if you keep concentration.
Okay.
All right. So this is all about a small theory part. So because if I give more explanation, so your mind is not taking.
Okay.
All right. This is all about just small theory part about S3. That's it. That's it for today. Thanks for joining, man. Look at me also. Sometimes focus,
Okay. So, what should I
concentrate
tell the
on
guy for
on the
the
class. Sorry.
for the for the AWS architecture?
Yeah, architecture.
You know it, right? You could teach him.
Yeah, I could, but just share his number. Let me talk first. Let me have a conversation. So
Yeah.
then I can understand what his level of knowledge.
Yeah. His knowledge is pretty good. He's doing IT since 10 years, 10, 12 years.
Is it so? Oh, that's great. So let me have a conversation. What happens?
Yeah. I'll send him your number or vice versa. Let's see
Yeah.
what happens.
Share my YouTube channel also. Then he can understand better what knowledge I have. Okay. So then he
Okay.
can decide.
Send me the which one? Which one you want me to share?
Yeah, my YouTube channel. Okay, CloudTech.
The, the AI one.
Yeah, you can share it. No problem. I'll share you my all playlist. Okay.
Okay, that would be great.
Yeah, I'll
I'll
share
let him
you
know for sure.
just forward it. That's it. So I don't keep more pressure on you, man. I'll help you to do anything.
Okay, sounds good.
Sounds good. Yeah. Mohammed, please, I'm requesting you. Maybe after 3 days, I'll go home, my hometown.
Where?
You don't know, man. You don't know Nalgonda. This is just other district. It's near to Hyderabad only.
How far is it from Hyderabad?
It's 70 kilometers. Just
How
60,
much?
60 kilometers.
Oh, so you taking the car, bus?
Yeah, bus. I don't have a car, man. We are very poor, man. Very poor.
Come on.
Yeah, man. I'm very much rich in subject. I'm very much rich in knowledge, but not in money. Got it? Please help me, man. Please help me. So I'm there for you. So we will handle. Will sure. I'll help you to handle the projects. Okay. I'll always be with you lifetime. Don't worry. So this is not end. This is just starting only.
Yeah, no, I
Okay.
got you. Don't worry.
Hmm.
You
It's
said
just
3 days. You going? What days?
yeah.
Weekends?
Yeah, weekend in the sense there is a festival, man, in India. For Hindu festival
That's
is
fine
there.
because Friday, Saturday are not available anyways.
Oh, yeah, okay,
Tomorrow we could do morning class, 10 o'clock.
okay. That sounds good. That's fine, no problem. So though I have a festival also, I never neglect your classes, man. I'll take. Don't worry.
No, that's fine because Friday I work all day, 12, 13 hours. Saturday, same thing.
Yes. Okay.
Right now my work is short staff, so I have to stay and work.
Oh, is it?
hmm
Okay.
Yeah, I manage a restaurant, so I have to stay there
I know.
and
You
work.
you buy some restaurant in USA. I know.
One day, my own.
Yeah. That would be good actually. That would be good.
Yeah,
Definitely you will.
let's
You will,
go.
man. You will. Don't worry. You will. And that
Yeah.
ID, whatever Zilla, what is that Zilla ID? That works, right?
Zell.
Zilla, something I shared with you, right? For payment.
Let me see.
Is that works?
Uh,
Just payment ID I
mm,
shared with you, I guess.
can you share again? Is it far away? The chat.
So far away I shared with you, but yeah, that's okay. Oh my
Let me
goodness.
see it.
So let me
I'm
pause
looking
it.
at it.
Yeah, we had a lot of conversation on this. Maybe I'll share it
Yeah,
again and again. Um, I
yeah.
think
I think we have more.
something kind of Zilla something is there. I think that is
You showed me
UPI,
some.
I guess. Yeah. See this? So this is the one. Zilla ID, I guess.
This is okay. Zell ID. So just Zell it to this person. You sure, right? It's gonna go through.
Yeah, I'm very much sure, pretty sure. Is this
Okay.
man? Is this what is this man? This name is little different. Zille.
Yeah, we have that. We just connected through our bank. The Zell.
Oh, got it. Does this works?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Right away.
Oh yeah. One more thing, I'm requesting you, man. Please add the bank charges also. Okay, that guy will charge from my side.
How much? Can you find out?
I think maybe $70. I guess. Maybe I don't know. I'm not sure exactly. I'll ask and helping you. So whatever you
Oh
want to
no.
pay, just extra $50, you just share with that along with that. Just
Oh wow.
around $30 or
Okay. Yeah.
$25.
Just
There
ask
was,
him and let me know.
I don't know how much charges there, but he asked me, he showed, he told me that there are charges. Don't worry, just add $25 extra. That's it. I think that's enough, I guess. I don't know how much these many taxes are there in USA, man. A lot of taxes for
Too
one,
much.
and the
Too
conversation,
much.
the transfer between you and your related to your your same country banks, only in between banks to banks there are a lot of charges.
No,
Too
no. For that, no.
bank to
If
bank,
it's
no.
like yeah, bank to bank, no. Just overseas or stuff.
Okay, okay. For what about this Zilla, Zille?
Yeah, no. This is the one we use.
Okay,
So the thing is, for me to send it to him is not gonna charge, but him to send it to you is gonna charge.
okay, got it. Let me know more about this. Let me try to read in internet, and I'll try to save myself. All right, awesome, man. Awesome. Happy to talk to you.
All right, I'll take care of it
But
tomorrow.
but
I'll
but
see you.
I'm very much worrying about you because you are not doing practice.
I have you, man. What am I need to worry about?
Because I'm very much worried about you because you are not doing practice frequently. Consistent. You are just listening my classes. That's what my worry. You're just listening my class. After that, you go and sleep well, and again tomorrow morning you will wake up and you will go office. That's it. You're not doing practice anywhere.
Tell me where I need to practice for this. Like before, you used to send me links. Now you don't.
I
So let me know.
at least try for weekends, man. At least try for weekends. At least 1 hour.
Yeah.
Show your kids, hey
Oh.
man, your papa is your abu is working in front of you in laptop. Just show that, right?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, weekends please try, and remaining days I will take care of you because remaining days I will try to make you practice in my class itself.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Thanks for joining with me
Thank you.
today, and have a
I'll
good
see you
day.
tomorrow.
Have a good
Yeah,
day.
I'll talk to you
Take care.
tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Take care, man. Bye bye.